Are you charging the same for nearby and faraway customers? Then you might be losing money in delivery. For this, we have distance-wise shipping in Multi-Vendor X. So, let's together see how this works. Let's first understand what is distance-wise shipping. Distance-wise shipping means the delivery charge is calculated based on how far the customer's address is from the store location. Admin setup. First go to Multi-Vendor X, Modules, Shipping Management. Here enable Store Shipping. Now go to Multi-Vendor X, Settings, Shipping. Here under Shipping Methods, enable Distance-wise Shipping. Now from the store owner side, go to Store Dashboard, Settings, Shipping by Distance. Here store owners can configure shipping charges based on delivery location. First we have default cost. This is the default shipping charge if no distance rule matches. For example, I'll set it to $50. Distance type. Here the owner can choose whether distance will be calculated in kilometers or miles. I have selected kilometer. Maximum distance. This sets the maximum delivery range for the store. For example, I have set it to 500 km, so orders beyond 500 km cannot be delivered. Local pickup cost. This is the pickup charge if customers collect the order themselves. For example, I set it to $0, means local pickup is free. Distance cost rules. This is one of the most important parts of distance-wise shipping. Click Add Rule to create shipping prices for different distance ranges. For example, up to 200 km the shipping cost is $100 and up to 500 km the distance cost is $200. So customers closer to the store pay less shipping while customers farther pay more. Admin can also view and edit this shipping wise. Go to Multi-Vendor X, Stores, select a specific store, Shipping, choose Shipping by Distance. From here, the admin can manage and edit all distance cost rules for the specific store directly from the admin panel. Now let's see how distance-wise shipping works from the customer side. First go to the store page and add products to your cart. Then go to the cart page and click Proceed to checkout. Now on the checkout page, the most important field is the delivery location. This location decides the shipping price based on the distance from the store. For example, if I enter a nearby location within 200 km, the shipping cost is lower. But if I enter a farther location within around 500 km, the shipping cost becomes higher. After entering the correct address and selecting the payment method, click Place Order. And your order is successfully placed. So yeah, that's distance-wise shipping in Multi-Vendor X. So easy and smart, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.